32-year-old victim had words with the suspect, we understand, before things turned violence. He had...
Alright, what's up, y'all? We back for another reaction. Figured I'd go ahead and give y'all another reaction. A little something slight. So, in this reaction, we gonna be reacting to Man Gives Woman 300 Kick Down Subway Escalator. Boy, I don't know what's going on, but getting kicked down some stairs, that's bad enough, but you getting kicked down some escalator? Like, man, like I said in my last reaction, man, it's a lot of demon energy just going around in the world, man. Like, you clearly kicking somebody down the stairs, they could clearly die, but you kicking somebody down the escalator, like, man, and them joints is sharp too. Woo! Hey, let's just go ahead and get into this reaction and see what's going on.
New this morning at 6:39, police are looking for the suspect behind a brutal attack on an escalator at a Brooklyn subway station. Woo. Watch as the suspect kicked a woman in the chest and knocked her down and back. This happened last Thursday night at the Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center station. The 32-year-old victim had words with the suspect, we understand, before things...
Yo, and Buddy just walking like he ain't did nothing. This is crazy. Man. Alright, y'all, I told y'all that was gonna be a little slight one. Hey, but that's crazy, boy. Woo! Buddy came with that Leonidas kick, boy. This is 300, like, woo! Man, I ain't laughing at her, but Buddy, hey, and he just walked off like he don't even care, like, woo! Boy, that's definitely probably like damn near attempted murder right there, man. Buddy came with the man, I'm not laughing at it. It's just, man, I can't believe he did that. I cannot believe
This is madness! This is Sparta!
Yo! Man, hey, let me get up out of here, man. Hey, don't get at me in the comments for laughing, man. Once again, I'm not laughing at the lady, man. That's messed up what happened. Like I said, you could die from, falling down some stairs, man, and Buddy just kicked her in the chest, like, down the escalator, like, woo, boy, man. Yo, hey, that's all I got for y'all on this one. So if you're here on this channel for the first time, make sure you leave a like. Hey, man, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you can be aware the next time your boy, Mr. I Seen That, drops his next reaction video. Hey, I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all know the vibe. Peace.